Mwaka uyu uria ukuhuthira milioni 60 cia thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu uria urikireire ginya gicunje kia 80 harĩ 100 ni kuo thitoo ya kuiga ndawa na indo ingi cia urigiti irikoragwo. Thitoo ino irihuthika gutambia ndawa thibitarĩ-inĩ ciothe 114 iria ikoragwo kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu. Kuringana na munene wa ruhonge rwa ndawa kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, bata wa thitoo ino ni gukorwo na handu hamwe haria ndawa ciothe cia Kiambu irigagwo, naguo gukũrana ndawa iria thibitarĩ urabatarania hatari kuheana nini kana makiria kuringana na namba ya arwaru.
Riu facility ta ino ri kiria gweka ri ni go centralize maundu maya ma ndawa so that those challenges that we have had ni cigukorwo challenges cia the past, and we shall ensure and do the best that we can do to ensure at the aduitori mina access.
To be honest, this is a very unique structure. I think we are the second county that has this structure, the Central Medical Store. This is a very, I would call it's an investment for a county. It will be a very expensive structure, but the outcome, what is envisioned when the structure is complete, it's a unique structure. We are the second county actually having this Central Medical Store, and our hope is that we will go towards even the aspect of production. We even hope that we can have products, some of these products produced from here.
Thitoo ino no iguteithiriria ruhonge rwa ndawa kumenya ni ndawa iriku irahuthika makiria, na uguo gwitia ihinda-ini riria riagiriire kuma ruhonge rwa KEMSA ruria rutambagia ndawa kaunti-ini.
One of the challenges that we have had is a rational supply. One of the issues that come in with that on a technical point is what we call quantification. Well, that means us understanding what our patients need, what our communities need. So through this system, we'll be able to understand the needs of the community.
Na neguthi na mbere turathie na mbere, and so we are hoping that very, very soon we shall come back to this same location to flag it off.
Waki wa thitoo ino urakinyanire unyitaniri-ini na ruhonge rwa USAID. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.